All right, y'all, back at it. Got the truck loaded up, and we out of here. Still here, chilling, sitting back, enjoying the ride. I'm in such a good mental space. Really nothing to talk about.
accurately. Give you all of my two, so maybe you could bring prodigy with forever S-H-I-N-E. My shit attract millions like you attract to see. I dare you ever in your life, ask me, what without acknowledging this man ass.
Now who the fuck you think you talking to? I pay dues, I spray crews, look I'm Joey Crack. Motherfuckers be like it's bad news, running this racket. From New York to Montego, sobering people, bring it to the keys from Puerto Rico. I'd rather be feared than not because the fear lasts longer. These bitch ass niggas know he's stronger than these weak.
That's my shot, that's my shot, that's my shot. talk. I ain't rich yet, but you know I ain't broke up. So if I see it, I like it by from the store. I'm with some more girls and I love in the coca. Like they OT, double OT, like I'm KG, smoking OG. And you know me, my 2 3s and my gold tee. But you smiling, but you see me from the nosebleed. I'm the new 3 and I change up to my new D. White Iverson. When I started balling, I was young. You gon' think about me when I'm gone. I need that money like the ring I never won. I want. When I started balling, I was young. You gon' think about me when I'm gone. I need that money like the ring I never won. I want. I'm swaggin'. I'm ballin'.
We almost there, y'all, about 30 minutes out. Tell when you start getting close up in these mountains because these roads start getting windy. See, it's raining up here. But we're gonna make it do what it do. Rain ain't gonna stop nothing. You took a bath this morning, didn't you? Sometimes in life, things will come across your path to try to deter you. And this ain't nothing but water, but I'm talking about other things in life will come across your path and it'll mess your mood up. And it'll change your whole demeanor where you don't want to do something. But sometimes you got to push through that shit. Alright, we back at it. I had to pull over so I could delete some files so I can keep recording. But we about 20 minutes out from our destination. So I'm at the Woody Gap Trail right now. And we pressing on. So I will resume recording when I pull up. Save a little storage space until I can find the time to delete some more stuff off my phone. But as for right now, we still rolling. Getting it. Holler at y'all in a little bit. Beautiful. Yeah, we almost there. Thank you, Lord. We made it. We have been here and made it safe. Hello, how you doing? I'm excited to be here. Yes, rain and all. I'm from Georgia. First time here though. Okay, I'm gonna be here for a couple days. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you need to go down to the business.
Okay, appreciate it. You have a good day. All right. Man, this is so beautiful. Beyond my wildest expectations. someplace to park. Kind of tight, but we up in here. Kind of tight, but it's right. To be continued. Picked up the trailhead over there by the car. Got a little rain going on. That's why I came in that up there. I'm gonna have to delete some files off my phone to get some more storage. But we press it on. Got even better view right here. This absolutely stunning on this misty day. Absolutely stunning. I'm glad I brought my fishing rod. Throw me something in the water. See what I can catch. But not today. We're pressing on. How you doing? You catch anything yet? you can hear my truck alarm way out here, which is good. Trust no one. Oh man, got a little dock right here. Absolutely beautiful. Even on a day like today. Absolutely beautiful. That's the road where we came in at. And when I say we, I mean you too. Hell, y'all with me. Anybody watching this video, we walking this thing together. One step at a time. Living life. You got to get out there. So if there's something that you want to do, that you're afraid to do it, I encourage you, I implore you, get up from where you're sitting and take one step at a time. Put one foot in front of the other and see what happens. And see what happens. There go them birds again. Even in the rain, you cannot stop God's majestic grace. You can't stop it. You can't. See if he has anything else to say before we pull off. I guess he said all he's going to say for now. So we pressing on. Got a couple out there paddle boating. That's what I'm talking about. Living life. Yeah. I probably have to do some editing on the videos I already took just so I can cut some of this stuff down. Save some file storage, but I don't even care about that. Man. Look at this water, y'all. Man, beautiful. I want to thank all my family, friends. Hell, I want to even thank my enemies for allowing me to see this. You know what I'm talking about? Everything that I've been through in life is worth it, just for this moment right here. From being in prison, being in jail, and out of jail, all my life, making bad decisions, giving my people energy who don't deserve it. Yeah, I thank you. I thank Tatnall County. I thank Clayton County. I thank Fulton County. I thank Rice Street. Yeah. Look at me now. Living life out here. Yeah. Let's press on. Another trail back down. How y'all doing? Good. Yeah, so we're gonna press on. I'm just gonna come on around this loop for about another mile or so. And then I'm gonna bring y'all back when I get back to the truck. Start the big boy hike. And climb this mountain and see what's happening up there. It was raining, coming down really hard earlier. Didn't discourage me at all. Because now the sun is breaking through the clouds. Like God's hand parting the Red Sea. Yeah. You know nothing can stop God and what he has for you. Nothing. Nothing. Oh my goodness. Look at that drop right there. Pressing on. So, coming around the bend up here. Got about another mile to go. I'll holler back at y'all. Peace. I'm out of here. Yeah. We up in here. Coosa Country, back trail. We in here. Yeah. What's happening? We out here. We on the way. Coosa Backcountry Trail. Yeah. Beautiful. To be continued. Living life. Yeah. Yeah. When obstacles in your way, you either go through them or you go around them. You know what I'm talking about? You go through them or you go around them. Yeah. Live life, baby. Live your life. Get out here. Get out there. Yeah. Okay, folks. First section of the Coosa Backcountry Trail. It's a wrap. We made it to the road. We made it to the road, y'all. Look at this. Look where we came from. Look at it. That's where we came from. Some people come from that direction. Some people coming from that direction. But we going in that direction. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah. We out here. We doing the damn thing. Let's get it. 2020-21. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. And for the people in the back, in case y'all missed it, that's where we came from. Some folk come from that direction. Some folk come from that direction. But we going in this direction. Let's go. The path you may come down may have been hard. May not have been easy. But we ask God to order our steps and go before us everywhere we go. Yeah, there's gonna be some rocks. The trail's still gonna be a little bumpy. You still gonna have obstacles in your way. But you know what? God got you. He got you. He will make a way. He will make a path where there is no path. Y'all stay focused. Y'all stay focused. Y'all stay focused on the path. Put one foot in front of the other and let God lead you. Let God's almighty hand lead you through the course of life, one step at a time. And be as sure-footed as a deer. You know what I'm talking about? One foot in front of the other, y'all. We got this. 2021, we out here living life. We don't know what lies before us, but it don't matter because God had already went there. He had already made a path. He had already made a way out of no way. Should be getting towards a campground pretty soon. If not, I'll make my own campground. I'll go up the path, make my own trail. But let's see what's happening. Let's see what God has in store. Peace out. Salute. What's happening? Salute, we out here. I just checked my altimeter. We at 2,300 feet. Yeah. Yeah, look at the backdrop right there. Crazy, right? We was down there, y'all. Way down there. Even past far as before you can see them trees at the bottom now. Yeah. To be continued. Let's press on. Oh shit. Literally. We got company. It's real out here in the field.